in its lowest form or in its simplest form, right? The first thing to do is to identify the LCM. You need to identify the lowest common multiple of your denominators. Simple and straightforward, right? So if you have x minus 4 squared and x minus 4, the LCM is x minus 4 squared, the one with the highest power. It represents the LCM. I hope you are listening. Right. For example, if you encounter a question like 2 over x squared, right, minus 6 over x, and you'd like to express this as a single fraction, your LCM is x squared. I hope you are listening. The one with the highest power. So same applies. You have to take x minus 4 squared as your LCM. Right. So x minus 4 squared into x minus 4 squared, you get 1. Then this one is going to multiply the x above. So this one would then multiply the numerator. So where is this one coming from? It's x minus 4 squared into the LCM, you get 1. Then that 1 would then multiply the x, which is representing your numerator. Right, after that, you have to put a negative sign in between. Then x minus 4 into x minus 4 squared, you get x minus 4, which will then multiply the 2 which is above. I hope you are listening, class. Then after that, we then need to remove brackets on our numerator. So 1 times x, you get x. Then minus 2 times x, you get minus 2x. Then negative times negative, you get plus. Then 2 times 4, it produces 8. I hope you are listening, class. Right. So we are going to maintain our denominator as it is, whilst we simplify the numerator. X minus 2x, it produces negative x. So you get negative x plus 8 over x minus 4 squared, and this is your final answer. So this is how you express in its simplest form to get yourself 2 marks. I hope you are listening, class. Right. Then you are now moving on to part B. Part B is requiring you to solve the simultaneous equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 14 and 6x plus 4y is equals to 3. So what you need to do, you can apply what you call elimination method. The idea is to make the coefficients of x the same. So the coefficient of x, right, in the second equation, which is 6, is going to multiply the first equation. Then the coefficient of x in the first equation, which is 2, will then multiply the second equation. So when doing this multiplication process, you have to multiply both sides so that you create a common coefficient of x. Right. So 6 times 2x, you get 12x. 6 times minus 3y, you get minus 18y. I hope you are listening, class. Then 14 times 6, it gives you 84. So you write 84 here. This is 84. Right, then 2 times 6x, you get what? 12x. 2 times 4y, you get what? 8y. Then 2 times 3, it produces 6. Right, so after that, you have to put negative sign in between the like terms so that you less equation 2 from equation 1. So 12x minus 12x, you get 0. Then minus 18y, minus and plus, they produce a minus. So it's more of, you are saying negative 18y, negative 8y. So if you have all negatives, you add, but the sign remains negative. So you get negative 26y. I hope you are listening, class. Right. Then 84 minus 6, right? You get 78. So I'm now dividing both sides by 26. I hope you are listening. Right, so 78 divided by 26, it gives you 3. So it means you are dividing by negative 26. So it means y is equals to negative 3. Since negative 26 and negative 26, they cancel out each other. I hope you are listening, class. Right, so I need to then choose the equation of my choice of the two equations above. You have to choose the equation of your choice in order to find the value of x. So if we choose the equation below, which is 6x plus 4y is equals to 3, you have to substitute minus 3 on y. So 6x plus 4 open bracket, I'm going to put minus 3 on y is equals to 3. So you get 6x, this is negative 12, is equals to 3. Then 6x is equals to 3 plus 12. I hope you are listening, class. Right. So after that, you have to add. You need to add 3 plus 12. So 3 plus 12, it produces 15. Then you divide both sides by 6. Right. So 3 into 15, you get 5. 3 into 6, you get 2. 2 into 5, you get 2 and a 2.5. So I'm going to write 2 and a half on x. Then I'm going to write minus 3 on y. Then